Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to do revision of EVS. Today we will revise chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Chapter number 2 is Understanding My Body and chapter number 3 is Clothes We Wear. We will revise this chapter one by one. Now, let's revise points of remember what we have learned in this chapter earlier. Our body. You know, our body is like a machine. It has different parts and every part does some or the other activity. Like we skip, we jump, we walk, we eat. Okay. Now, we have external body organs and internal body organs. External body organs. Children, when you stand in front of mirror, the body parts which you can see that time, the body parts which you can see when you stand in front of mirror are external body organs like your eyes, ears, nose, hands, fingers, legs. Internal body organs. The body parts that are hidden inside your body are internal body organs like brain. Now, what work brain does? Brain helps us to think. It is inside our head. Now, heart. Heart is on the left side of the chest. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Lungs. We have two lungs. They help us to breathe. Stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food. Okay, now we will study about bones and muscles. Bones are very hard part of the body. Bones form a framework that is called skeleton. Now, layer of flesh is covered on skeleton that is called muscles. Bones and muscles help us to sit, stand and move. Now, we will see what is joint. A joint is a place where two bones meet. You can see where two bones meet. This is called joint. Now, we will study about 5 sense organs. Now, first is eyes. Eyes help us to see. We see beautiful world with our eyes. Second is ears. Ear help us to hear. You are listening to me. How can you listen what I am saying? With the help of your ears. Nose. Nose help us to smell. Your mama cooks delicious food for you, no? You smell with your nose and you can say, Mama, आज तो आपने मैगी बनाई है. Tongue. Tongue help us to taste. The last is skin. Skin is the largest part of the body. It help us to feel. Now, we will discuss bookwork of this chapter. Write down 2 things you do with each of these body parts. Eyes. What we see with our eyes? We see plants and animals. Nose. We smell cake and perfume. Tongue. We taste chocolate and ice cream. Ear. We listen doorbell and music. Now, fill in the blanks. The dash controls our body. Who controls our body? Brain. The dash pumps blood. Who pumps blood? Heart. The dash digests the food. Which body organ digests the food? Stomach. The dash is the largest part of our body. Which is the largest part of our body, kids? Skin. Now, we will learn spellings one by one. Okay, now we will see what is the spelling of brain. When I am writing and I am speaking, you all will also speak with me. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Okay. Brain helps us to think. It controls our body. Now, we will learn spelling of heart. You will speak with me. HEART. What heart do? Heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Now we will learn spelling of stomach. You will speak with me. STOMACH. Stomach. It digests the food. Now we will see spelling of skin. Skin help us to feel. SKIN. Now we will see some more spellings like eyes, ears and nose. You will speak with me, kids. EYES. Eyes. EARS. Ears. And NOSE. Nose. Now let's see notebook work of this chapter. You will learn this with me, kids. What are external organs? The body parts that we can see are called external organs. Children, the body parts which are visible to you, which we can see, what are they called? They are called external organs. What is the skeleton? We learned, we revised this now. What is skeleton? Now we will see answer. The bones of our body form a framework called the skeleton. What bones form? They form a framework and it is called skeleton. Okay. Now question number 3. Write the names of the 5 sense organs and their functions. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs, and what are the function of those 5 sense organs? We will see that. First is eyes. Eyes help us to see. Ears. Ears help us to hear. Nose. Nose help us to breathe. Tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Skin. Skin help us to feel. Now, after revising chapter number 2, understanding my body, now we will revise chapter number 3, clothes we wear. Now we will recap through points to remember that what we have learned in this chapter earlier. Clothes. Now, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes because they protect us from dirt, heat, cold, insects and injury. Now, types and sources of fabric. You know, plants and animals give us raw material to make clothes. We get raw material from plants and animals. For example, we get cotton from cotton plants, wool from sheep. From wool we make woolen clothes, silk from silkworm, linen from flax plant. Flax plant gives flax to make linen. Now, beside plants, some animals also give raw material which help us to make fur, jackets and leather shoes. Plants and animal, after plants and animal, there are man-made fibers also. Example of man-made fibers are rayon and nylon. Now, after getting raw material, do you know who stitches clothes for us? Tailor stitches clothes for us. Now, next is different clothes in different seasons. Children, you know, we wear clothes according to season. Now, in summer, can you wear jacket in summer? No, because in summer we wear cool clothes, and you know which clothes are cool clothes? Cotton clothes are cool clothes. In hot summer we wear cotton clothes. In winters we wear clothes that keep us warm. That keep us warm from getting cold, like leather jackets, fur, shawls, woolen clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoat, which protects us from getting wet from rain. And we take umbrella also. How they protect us? Because they both are made from rubber. Now, after recalling these things, we will revise book work of this chapter. You will learn with me, kids. Dash give us woolly hair to make woolen clothes. We get wool from sheep. Spelling of sheep is SHEEP. Dash gives us silk to make silk clothes. From where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. Spelling of silkworm is SILKWORM. Cotton clothes are worn in the dash season. In which season cotton clothes are worn? Cotton clothes are very cool now. So, in which season we wear cool clothes? We wear cool clothes in hot summer season. Spelling of hot is HOT hot. Summer is SUMMER summer. Now, match the following. Flax. Flax plant give us flax, and which raw material we get from flax plant? Which fiber we make from flax? That is linen. Spelling of linen is LINEN. Synthetic fiber. We learned about rayon and nylon now. These are man-made fibers. Cotton clothes. Now I told you cotton clothes are very cool. COOL, cool. Raincoat. In which season we wear raincoat? In summers? In winters? No, in rainy season, in monsoon. MONSOON. Now, after learning book work, let's revise the notebook work. Why do we wear clothes? I told you now why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from dirt, heat, cold, insects and injury. Clothes protect us from dirt, heat, cold, insects and injury. Question number 2. Who gives us raw materials to make clothes? From where do we get raw material? We get raw material from plants and animals. Now let's see the answers. Plants and animals give us raw materials to make clothes. Now after discussing this notebook work, revising this notebook work, we will learn hard words of this chapter. Okay, first we will learn the spelling of sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Number 2, we will learn the spelling of silkworm. SILK, silk. WORM, worm. Silkworm gives us silk to make silk clothes. After this, we will learn spelling of summer. SUMMER. Okay, after revising these 3 spellings, now we will learn spellings of question why do we wear clothes. Clothes protect us from dirt. First is dirt, we will learn spelling of dirt. DIRT, dirt. Heat, HEAT, heat. Cold, COLD, cold. Insects, INSECTS. And injury, INJURY, injury. Now after this, who gives us raw material to make clothes? Plants and animals. Now we will learn the spelling of plants and animals. PLANTS, plants. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Now children, after revising book work and notebook work of both the chapters, we will revise worksheet of these chapters. A dash is a place where two bones meet. Option A, joint. Option B, brain. Option C, heart. Which is the correct answer? A, joint. Spelling of joint is J-O-I-N-T, joint. Number 2, what do you do after you eat a medicine tablet? When you eat medicine tablet, what you do? Option A, eat rasgulla. Option B, eat vegetable. Option C, drink water. What you do? You drink water. D-R-I-N-K, drink. W-A-T-E-R, water. Number 3, what protect us from getting wet during monsoon? Option A, scarf. Option B, raincoat. Option C, shawl. Correct answer is option B, raincoat. Number 4, which clothes keep our body warm? A, woolen clothes. B, silk clothes. C, cotton clothes. Which clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes. So the correct answer is A, woolen clothes. Spelling of woolen is W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Number 5, what is hidden inside our head? What is hidden inside our head? A, stomach. B, brain. Or C, lungs. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is B, brain. Spelling of brain is B-R-A-I-N, brain. Now question number 2. Write down 2 things we get from each of the following. First is man-made fiber. Children, I explained you na, we get raw material from plants and animal. The same way the fiber we get from man-made are rayon and nylon. Spelling of rayon is R-A-Y-O-N, rayon. Spelling of nylon is N-Y-L-O-N, nylon. Question number 2. Write down 2 things we get from each of the following. Man-made fiber. Children, I told you plants and animal give us raw material to make clothes. The same way man also make fiber that are called man-made fibers. The name of the fibers are rayon and nylon. Okay, now we will learn spelling of rayon and nylon. R-A-Y-O-N, rayon. N-Y-L-O-N, nylon. Number 2, leather. What we make from leather? We make jackets and shoes. Spelling of jackets J-A-C-K-E-T-S. Shoes S-H-O-E-S. Now question number 3. State true or false. The skeleton is covered by a layer of flesh called muscles. I explained you na? The skeleton is covered by a layer of flesh called muscles. So the statement is true. Number 2. Bones are a very hard part of the body. Yes or no? You tell me. Are the bones hard part of the body? The answer is true. Number 3. We wear clothes according to the days. Children, do you wear clothes according to the days? On Monday, I will wear winter jacket. On Tuesday, I will wear raincoat. Do you wear like this? No. We wear clothes according to the season. So, this statement is false. Silkworm gives wool to make woolen clothes. Children, silkworm gives us wool. Is it correct statement? No. Silkworm gives us silk. So, this statement is false. The tongue is inside our mouth. Inside our mouth. So, the statement is true. Woolen clothes are worn in the cold winter season. We wear woolen clothes in which season? In the cold season, cold winter season? Yes. So, this statement is true. Now, children, I hope you have revised these chapters with me and you must have gone through the recorded video which we have sent you of these chapters. Keep practicing, keep revising. Thank you.